In this video, I'm gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on a POCO X8 Pro Max. So here is the very good part of this phone. We have ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which means that the sensor is very, very fast, especially on the lock screen. I'm gonna also check the sensor when it is not visible on the screen, how fast it reacts to the fingerprint. But in the case of lock screen, just tap on the sensor. You don't have to, well, I actually have to hold it. No, we don't have to hold it. We can just simply tap. Sometimes if you tap too quickly, then yes, the sensor might not be fast enough to recognize the sensor, but as you can see, just simple tapping works wonders. It's really, really fast due to the fact that we have the ultrasonic sensor. It's very responsible, it's very fast, and it doesn't take long to unlock the phone. So I don't think there is a need to keep on going on the lock screen. Also, when the lock screen is off and you can see the sensor, let me just quickly show you. So when we lock the phone, we can still see the sensor for a short time, and in here, it is pretty much as fast. I don't think there is that much of a difference, but let's just try to unlock the phone a couple of more times, but no, I don't think so. So as you can see, when the screen is off and you have the sensor visible, it is just as fast as on the lock screen. So you can just tap on the sensor to unlock the phone. Very, very good. But now here is the part where the sensor is not visible. So usually, in the case of optical sensors, it's going to take a little bit more time to unlock the phone with the sensor. Of course, it's still short if you consider 1 second a short time. But here, since we have ultrasonic one, it's just fast as well. It's really, really impressive. So, of course, this is actually the most important part of unlocking the phone, because usually if you want to unlock your phone, you want to do this without having to go to the lock screen. You don't really want to, for example, press the power button in order to then find the fingerprint sensor and then unlock the phone. You just want to do this even when the screen is completely off. And in this case, there we go. It is pretty much just as fast as on the lock screen. So no doubt, definitely one of the best fingerprint sensors that we can find, at least right now on the market. And mostly due to the fact that we have, of course, the ultrasonic sensor. So definitely a huge advantage for those who really appreciate fast fingerprint sensors. And if they wish to have a very, very, very quick access to the phone, if you want to quickly unlock the phone without having to hold your finger, then, well, this is your choice. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.